After a very busy week filled with tests, quizzes, assignments, and so much, I was very stressed. And I didn't want to spend my Friday night watching Netflix and pressing my phone as I always do. I just wanted something different, something new that I could do. And came across this girl who made a cardigan out of small crocheted squares. And I was like, wait a minute. Let me crochet something in 24 hours. I searched how to make a cardigan, and there were different techniques and different styles that popped up. And it channeled my inner grandma vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just made me think back to when I was younger and my grandma would show me how to knit and how to crochet. I was about 10 years old. It was quite a long time ago, and this is 12 years later. So I decided, hey, why not? And I searched for simple crochet projects I could try out, and I decided to make a beanie.
So I kept on crocheting because it's quite addictive, and now the time is 2:45. My thumb is swollen. I think it just that hurts so bad. Oh my goodness. And like my eyes are closing, like I literally can't stay up any longer, so I'm going to sleep finally at 2:45. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's 6:02. I just woke up. Keep in mind that I slept at 2. Yeah, and I got my crocheting here, so I'm just going to place you somewhere on my bed and crochet.
So, this is what we have, okay? I have 32 rows, roughly 64 rows, but there we go. And this is how I'm going to wear it, like this. Do you see that? Why is it so exposed though? And this is the back, like that. And we're just going to crochet down here, okay? Now you may be wondering, what sort of beanie has an opening? We're going to crochet that as well, so keep watching the video. I hadn't crocheted in 12 years, and now I'm telling myself to crochet in 24 hours and complete the beanie. Not only that, but it was a different style. I didn't know how to do a rib stitch, okay? I had to learn from YouTube. I only knew how to do a half double crochet back and forth, but this time I was following a rib stitch, so it was quite a challenge. It was quite boring as well. It made me remember why I don't crochet, because I felt very bored. It was the same thing over and 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 over again. Yarn over, back loop, half double crochet, wait, yarn over, back loop, half double crochet, 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 yarn over, half double crochet, yarn over, back loop, half double crochet, boom, yarn over, back loop, half double crochet, boom, half double crochet. Taking our tube like thing, this is what it looks like. It looks like a tube. See, you can just put your arm through like that, and you can wear it like that, but it's still open here, so this is what we need to close up, okay? And you can like fold it like that. Oh, it's looking cute. It's looking cute. Okay, cool. I'm going to show you how I will close it. It's basically doing a running stitch to make gathers at the top. So I'll show you. We just do that. And pull through. We continue. This is the closing, and I'm just going to sew right over here. Okay, so I'm done. I'm very excited. We just closed it up right over here. Now I'm just going to cut off these little extra unwanted threads